Welcome to the live on Know Your Herbs. So today we are going to share about mint or pudina. And mint is very famous for its fragrance. And there are many varieties of mint, but spearmint and peppermint are the most common two varieties. And it is mint usually we take for digestive purposes and also for respiratory system. And mint is generally used in to prepare buttermilk, digestive buttermilk, and also used as chutney. So this is the two common uses of mint. And everybody is familiar with mint, pudina chutney and pudina buttermilk, and also mint tea. And also mint is used to season the rice along with other spices like cinnamon or that black pepper. And today we'll speak particularly about peppermint, mentha piperita. And peppermint tea, it is brewed from the plant leaves. And there is an essential oil of peppermint. This is also used in traditional medicine. And it has an aromatic volatile oil known as menthol, mentha. That is which gives it that particular smell. And it's calming and relaxing as an aromatic oil when you use generally for this purpose. So mint is cooling. Other spices, like cayenne pepper, black pepper and all is heating. Mint generally disperse the fluids and it leaves a cooling after effect. And the bioactivity of the herb, according to the researchers, is that there are a lot of phenolic constituents like flavonoids, and especially the essential oils are the volatile components are menthol and menthone. And peppermint has antimicrobial properties, antiviral, it is anti-allergenic and strong antioxidant, it has anti-tumor actions, and also it has a relaxation effect on gastrointestinal tissue. It also acts as analgesic. It has analgesic and anesthetic effects in the central and peripheral nervous system. It has immunomodulating actions, chemopreventive potential, and so these are the effects which is proved by the research studies. Ayurvedically, it is a deepana, like stimulating the Agni, and anulomana, that is for the flow of vata, and also it has 3 dosha effect. And the main uses where we use is, one is of course digestion. The pudina chutney is very famous for digestion. It releases the gas, helps in indigestion and colic, and it is a stomach kick. It is stimulating and inspiring nature. That's why it is used in indigestion, and as a carminative also. And it relaxes the muscle tissues, especially smooth muscle tissue, antispasmodic. That is why it is used in colics, in the vasospasms, even bronchospasms. Antispasmodic means it reduces the muscle spasms or cramping. So for colic, especially stomach pain and all, it is used. And it is also used in digestive spasm or respiratory spasm also. And as carminative, so helpful in bloating and abdominal pain. And it's because it is stomachic, it increases the appetite and also help in nausea or a nervous stomach, and relieves the symptoms when there is very sluggish digestion. So for morning sickness or nausea, this is good. It's also a spleen tonic. So these are the main uses in the digestive system. So it is a very good idea to add pudina to your daily menu. And it's also used as a treatment for cough and cold, throat irritation, and as a decongestant, because it clears all types of stagnation. not only in the stomach, even in the lungs and respiratory tract. It clears the mucus from the respiratory tract, open the sinuses, and also like nausea and headache and breathlessness together sometimes. That in that also this is useful. And another one, we all know, chewing on mint for freshening the mouth. It is used. If you chew a few mint leaves, and that will help you in bad breath, because it has germicidal properties, and it also inhibits the bacterial growth inside the mouth, and also help in cleansing the plaque deposition on teeth. So that is why most of the toothpaste you see it is mint based because of this effect. And mint also has a cooling effect on your skin. It is used in insect bites because it has anti-inflammatory property, and it also helps to flush the lymphatic system to cool and revive the skin. Even for acne and pimples, because of its potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, it is good in acne prone skin. Inside you can take the mint juice to be an effective skin cleanser, and outside you can use it as a mask. And mint leaves contain a component called salicylic acid. That is also excellent in combating the acne. And also the antioxidants in the mint that help prevent the free radical activity, and that gives you a clearer and youthful skin. So mint mask also you can use. You can combine some crushed mint leaves and honey, make it into a paste and apply on your facial skin and leave for 20 minutes and wash it off with warm water. And for topically, for itching also, peppermint oil can be put and peppermint leaf paste can be put. And because of it has this analgesic property, it relieves pain. So that is one property which you may not be aware about mint. Anesthetic and analgesic property. And also when you smell the mint, you suddenly, if you feel you have alertness, and if you have anxious, frustrated feeling, it get decreased. And also your fatigue also is gone and you feel fresh. So this is one particular property of mint. And it is also it has an action of a vasodilator also. That means widening the blood vessels by relaxing the smooth muscle cells of the vessel walls. So that is why it is good for circulation, both systemically and also to a local area. So it's all because of that alertness and relaxation property, it is good for stress relieving also. Actually, it activates the frontal lobe, the area responsible for motor function, emotional expression, thinking, decision making. So this has an act on nervous system and brain. That is why it is used for a nervous system complaints also. Mint tea we suggest. Even in stress and depression, all that mint tea we suggest. Rejuvenating the mind, because and also it has adaptogenic properties. That means that regulate the cortisol levels and boost the body's natural resilience to stress. So that is what adaptogen means. It balances the body in whatever way it is needed. So that breathing in the mint, it immediately calms you down. It also has a small amount of serotonin in the brain. It helps. So and you can also use it as vapor. When you take a steam inhalation, put few drops of mint in the water. That will help. It also helps in toxins, to removing the toxin by metabolize cleansing the toxin from the body. So you can make a mint tea, add some 10 leaves to boiling water and keep it for 5-10 minutes, and after some time you can drink the water. That's how you take mint tea. And mint infused water also you can add. You can put in your drinking water, leave mint for some time, and mint, as I told, no, you can eat the mint leaves or chew the mint leaves for different purposes. If you want for oral health, you can chew the mint leaves, and as an aromatic oil you can use it, and even for nausea you can use the chew the leaves. Also in tea form also you can take to cope with the nauseous feeling. So these are the benefits of mint. Generally you just use it in a very casual way. We never know that mint has so much use. So yeah, make use of this simple herb, because it gives you so much benefits. And see you next Saturday with another herb.